Ever wonder how to repot your succulents without causing them harm? Today, we're diving into the world of succulents, focusing on the significance of correct repotting to ensure their health and growth. Stay tuned as we break down the process of repotting succulents into easy-to-follow steps. Before you begin, gather all the necessary materials. You'll need a new pot, preferably with drainage holes. Also, grab some succulent-friendly potting soil, a small shovel or spoon for transferring soil, and gloves to protect your hands. With these tools at hand, you are ready to begin the repotting process. Now, on to the main event, repotting your succulent. This process is an opportunity to give your plant a fresh start. The first step is to gently remove the succulent from its current home. Be careful to avoid damaging the roots as you coax it free. Next, you'll need to prepare the new pot. Ensure it has good drainage and is filled halfway with succulent-specific soil. This soil is specially designed to provide the right nutrients and water drainage that succulents need to thrive. Now it's time to introduce the succulent to its new pot. Place it in the center, allowing the roots to spread out. The final step is to add fresh potting soil around the succulent. It's important not to pack the soil too tightly. Succulents prefer a slightly loose environment that allows for good air circulation and water drainage. Following these steps will ensure your succulent is repotted successfully and safely. Let's quickly recap the main points of repotting your succulents. Succulents thrive when repotted, as it allows their roots to spread and soak up more nutrients. Essential materials include a fresh pot, cactus mix, gloves, and a gentle touch. Begin by gently removing the succulent from its old home. Shake off the old soil and nestle it into fresh mix in the new pot. Water sparingly until the plant adjusts. Remember, a successfully repotted succulent is a happy succulent. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.